CJ's MagicVerse Kids TV. Learning to tell time.
Hello kids, let's get some information about clock. There are the two types of clocks. This is an analog clock, and this is a digital clock. Reading a digital clock is very simple, but reading an analog clock can be a little tricky. Let's take a look at the analog clock. This whole thing is called the face of a clock. It has two hands, a short hand and a long hand. The short hand tells what hour it is, and it is called the hour hand. The long hand is called the minute hand. An analog clock is marked with numbers 1 to 12. Let's take a closer look at our clock face. The hour hand is pointing to 1, and the minute hand is pointing to 12. When the minute hand is pointing to 12, you need to say o'clock. So we say, it is 1 o'clock. Look at the clock now. Where is the hour hand? It is at 3. And the minute hand is at 12. So what time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
Let's kids clock face, what time is it? The hour hand is pointing to 6, and the minute hand is at 12. So what time is it?
It is 6 o'clock.
Let's kids fast forward learning to clock. So what time is it?
It is 7 o'clock.
So what time is it?
It is 9 o'clock.
So what time is it?
It is 11 o'clock.
And last, both the hands are pointing to 12, which means it is 12 o'clock. I have done enough time telling for today.